Hi, I'm Karen Roth, Holistic Nutritionist. Are you trying to cut sugar out maybe because you want to lose some weight? Maybe you're trying to control blood sugar and you're finding it really hard. And we know we don't want to be using artificial sweeteners, and even some of the natural sweeteners can be a little tricky. So something like stevia, which is extremely sweet, you have to know precise measurements, especially when you're baking. And then we have xylitol, which can cause some people some GI distress. While erythritol doesn't cause that distress, it can be kind of pricey when you're baking with it. So enter something I just found out about called allulose. Allulose is a natural compound found in figs, raisins, and jackfruit. It has the same taste and texture as sugar, but it doesn't impact blood sugar or your insulin levels. The humans don't have the enzyme that breaks down allulose, so it's excreted, making it 90% fewer calories than sugar. So if you compare sugar with 4 calories per gram, allulose only has 0.4 calories per gram, making it virtually calorie-free. It browns and caramelizes just like sugar, and if you're baking with sugar, it's only 70% as sweet as sugar, so you'll have to measure 1 1/3 cup of allulose to 1 cup of sugar. Now you will find some brands, like I found at Trader Joe's, where they use allulose and stevia, making it as sweet as sugar, so it measures cup for cup, and that makes it really convenient. So if you have a sweet tooth and you're struggling with sugar intake, try allulose when you're baking or use it to sweeten your coffee and tea. I hope you enjoyed this tip.